Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in story mode, so open Instagram and choose the content you'll use, photo or short video. Once done, decide whether you'll record new audio with your mic or add a saved track. This choice matters because live audio captures ambience while a track keeps consistent volume. Make sure permissions for microphone are enabled, then record a 15-second clip or import media. You're now ready to attach audio. Tap the sticker icon and select the music or sound option to continue. You'll now add audio and sync it to visuals. First, tap the music or sound sticker and search for the track or saved clip you want. Once selected, drag the waveform to place the exact start point because timing defines impact. Next, trim to the desired 115-second segment and preview it alongside your video or image. Make sure to adjust the music versus original media volume sliders so speech or important sounds remain audible. If needed, reposition the sticker and crop again. You're at the finish line. Preview the story fully, watching for sync, levels, and sticker placement while playing on repeat. Once satisfied, save a draft or share to story, choose close friends if testing, and add to highlights to keep it longer. If audio drops out or is muted on upload, make sure Instagram has mic and storage permission, re-import the audio file, clear cache, or update the app. One key troubleshooting tip: resave the clip locally and re-add it if persistent problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.